Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the 2019 23 Vantage Boston Whaler. You'll notice on the transom we have a white Mercury 300, which is the new style Mercury. Coming through the transom you have a freshwater sprayer built in here. This boat is equipped with a smart charger, so you can just plug it in if your batteries are weak. Really nice bench seat. Easy to pull out, wide, very high backrest. If you are fishing or just want to get it out of your way, it folds up nicely in the transom. Gives you a lot more room in the cockpit area. We ordered this boat with the optional tables. So you have a table that will pop into here or one in the bow. On the port side here, with this seat, Boston Whaler actually won an innovation award with this seat design. The seat can easily be positioned this way, so you've got a leaning post, or you can lay it all the way down, and the head door is padded as well, so you've got a nice lounge seat. This also pops up, and so you've got a forward lounge seat, and this boat is equipped with the fishing package, so you've got the live well built in underneath the seat. Great storage underneath this seat. And then flipping this back up gives you access to your head compartment, where we have a vacuum flush toilet with a holding tank and a pump out. The helm area is laid out really nice, big captain's chair, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, Raymarine VHF, and the new Axiom 9-inch screens you can see with chart plotter, fish finder combo built in. Really nice SmartCraft display for your engine functions. Great floor storage here. Moving forward, you have a close-off door where you can shut the windshield and block the wind entirely. Little storage access here. And then really good storage access on the starboard side. This boat is equipped with the freshwater sprayer up front, as well as a windlass. So you have a remote. You can activate the windlass from here or from the helm, and good storage under the port side seat as well. This boat we ordered with the bow sunshade option too. If you'd like to take a look at this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. We can be reached at 910-256-8100. Thank you.